kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to part 3 of my closet and beauty room. Thank you all so much for tuning in on today. So today you guys, in the closet and the beauty room, we are doing some cleaning. We're using the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner there in the lemon scent. So we're cleaning all of the shelves, and we're going to use some glass cleaner for the glass shelves. And I'm not using the same cloth with both cleansers. I have a cloth for the glass cleaner, and then I have a cloth for the multi-purpose cleaner as well too. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. We so appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. I hope you guys have been enjoying what you have been seeing with the closet and the beauty room makeover here. I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys, and I know y'all are probably saying, come on girl, let's get with it. Let's go ahead and get this closet and this beauty room together. I was showing y'all my two-piece outfit that I got from the TikTok shop. I have them in several colors. Once I get the beauty room and closet together, I'm going to try them on and show you guys the different colors that I have from the TikTok shop. I think they were like, what, $10, $12? I forget what the total price was, but it was very inexpensive. I love to just wear these and just, throw them on whenever I'm getting ready to go somewhere, or even if I'm just around the house. I like throwing those on because they're very stretchable, and they're comfortable as well too. And let me tell you, as y'all can see, they show your figure. They show it all, y'all. The fupa and everything else. But again, thank you all so much for tuning in. And please continue to drop name ideas down in the comment section for the closet and the beauty room. I appreciate all of you guys whom have already sent me some suggestions. So as you can see here now, I am using the glass cleaner, and I'm going to get my other cloth to clean the glass shelves. So here, this is where I'm showing you guys that I have the two different cloths that I'm cleaning with, for the glass cleaner and for the multi-purpose cleaning as well too. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean the vanity. It does have a lot of sticky residue on it, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it with the multi-surface cleaner, and we'll clean the glass part with the glass cleaner. And it's coming up pretty good. It wasn't a struggle trying to clean it. So I'm excited. I'm just ready for this part to be over with and to go ahead and start styling, filling in those drawers, and all of that good stuff. If you guys missed the first two parts of the closet and the beauty room, please go back and watch it and leave me a comment. And if you like both parts, please give it a big thumbs up for me. I truly appreciate your time and your effort in trying to support and watch the videos, and clicking on the thumbs up and leaving some comments down below. So right here, you guys, I'm just going ahead and just cleaning the vanity as best as I could. Now it's time to tackle these other two shelves over here. Now I really do think these two right here, I think I'm going to utilize this area as for my shoes, like my sneakers and maybe boots, and maybe a few of some casual shoes, and I may even add like some purses in between there. But where I'm cleaning right there now, I know I do want to add that box there on that shelf, and that's because of where they are. And then there's a bar up under there too, and I may use that to hang some short items over there as well too. Again, thank you all for coming along and cleaning with me. I hope I'm motivating you to go ahead and clean a space or area in your home as well. Now that I have done all of the dusting and all of the cleaning and the wiping down, it's time to go ahead and vacuum the area. And I hope there's like a glare because of the window. I opened the blinds to give it extra lighting in there, but I am going to put some window coverings up there, so I think that will alleviate that problem. And then I also have extra lighting stands as well, so I'll probably, when I'm videoing, I'll probably bring that out and be able to use it for better lighting. But it's not that bad, but it is that glare there because of that window. The floor isn't clean until you mop it. So I am going ahead and mopping the floor. Oh, I am tired, y'all. I am so tired. I am mopping the floor really, really good as best as I can. And then once I mop that, I'm going to step out and let it dry and then walk back in just to check and make sure that, I didn't miss any spots or anything like that, that I got it well cleaned. It smells really good in here as well too. So yeah, you guys, I want to thank you again for tuning in to this video, to part 3 of my closet and the beauty room. And yeah, if you've been enjoying it and you like it, please give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Also too, don't forget to drop some names down in the comment section of what I could call this space. And I think what I'm going to do, for those who did participate and drop me a name, I'm going to put the names in a hat and then pull for a prize to give to you guys to show my appreciation. But I'll only be choosing one, but I'll put everybody in the hat who participated. All right, love bugs, this is the end of part 3, and I will see you guys in part 4. Again, thank you all so much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Bye, love bugs.
We at home with Lisa.